Here we are in Toronto, Spring Point Solutions' 17th ESA convention. This is so important to us because of the customer relationships and the partnerships that we're forging with those customers, the vendor interactions and collaboration that we're able to gain with all the vendors here. It used to be that we'd come just to get our name out there. Now it's more of a social experience and visiting with current customers and meeting new people. Spring Point Solutions is known for the motor-based software. We grew out of the electric motor repair industry. We grew out of a 95-year-old motor shop in Maine. And motor-based was really geared around providing efficiency for the motor shops, but it was from an admin levels, kind of the office. We touched down into the shop floor through scheduling and time clock, and so we always wanted to be able to help further down where the production actually occurred. So QM Wizard was born. It stands for Quality Management Wizard. With the QM Wizard, we're building efficiency, standardizing, and controlling quality through the repair process. We're also providing a data capture and verification tool. And we're also bridging that gap between the older, experienced worker and the newer, unexperienced worker. Not only does the QM Wizard provide efficiency and consistency, but our customers see it as a great sales tool where they can walk into their customers and say, we don't just do quality work, here's how we do it. We plug in your specifications and your standards into this system so that we can have our employees be consistent through the repair process, whether it's the new employee or the veteran employee. They will be able to use this tool to provide that consistency that the customer expects. We've been approached by some big industry corporations and OEMs looking to improve their quality and repair process. The QM Wizard is the tool for that. Having grown out of the motor shop, we've seen a lot of greasy paperwork and messy handwriting, which just makes it difficult to capture that data. So one of the things we've done with the QM Wizard is allow you to bring in your step-by-step guides, tasks, checklists, and even validation tools. What makes the QM Wizard unique over other electronic checklists is we've gone deeper. Customers have specifications that they need to follow, like the AR100. What we're allowing you to do is bring those specifications into the task level, whether it's through a picture, a document, a video, or just additional instructions. We have that embedded into the system. The QM Wizard allows you to bring in different criteria and specs that will validate the data. So as you enter data, you can get triggers and warnings based off that data. The QM Wizard is smart enough to eliminate unnecessary tasks based on the previous entry. When I mentioned earlier about bridging the experience gap, what we're referring to, and everybody knows it in this industry, it's hard to find those qualified workers or taking the time to actually train those workers properly. And you have the experienced worker that's heading towards retirement age and they're taking all that knowledge with them. So what we've done with the QM Wizard is we've built in all of these tools that actually provide the training as they go. Through the pictures and videos and step-by-step checklists and the validation tools, it allows the new worker to be able to get that on-the-job training. Our customers have come to rely on us through Motorbase and now QM Wizard in ways to improve their productivity and efficiency in the offices and the shop floor. And because of that, our customers look at us more as a partner than a software vendor, and that's important to us. One of the things that's helped us succeed are our customers. With their valuable input into the development of our products, we're able to improve their companies. And so we want to continue moving forward with newer technology and new improvements based on our customer feedback. We have some exciting new capabilities planned, and we're looking forward to the year ahead.